I have seen many websites, but they are just boring and manual. But in 2026, manual websites are not allowed, because here comes the AI part. So what I have did is I just update my whole portfolio and added some animations, some designs, and the AI part. So here the AI. Now let me just show you the whole website, and then I will show you my chatbot how it works. So here comes, its name is Luna. Okay, now comes the hero section. Here you can see I have just added a fade in animation with text, and it looks perfect. Some floating animations, and here you can see a perfect hover effect on the text. Now here you can see a button and some social icons. Now if I just go below, here some parallax effect, like you can see the left side is just fixed and changing according to the right text. And now here comes the project section. You can see, you can just click here and see all my projects without just changing the whole design. Now come below, here it's talk about the InnoSpark media that I have created. Okay, now comes below, here are my skills, and look at the scroll animation, and look at this cursor animation. Okay, now if I just scroll below, here you can see a wormhole effect is already going on, and here comes the contact us form. Okay, so now this is the whole homepage website. Now if I just move to project section and click on full archive, you can see I have some projects here that I have created in my past. Okay, now the thing that I want to show you, the main thing is that this chatbot. Let me just delete this, and here it comes. So its name is Luna, and let me show you how it works. So let's say hi, and she is responding. Okay, so she just asked, want to know about what you want to know about Ritesh, like me. So I just say show me projects. So what it will do is not just it responds, but also it moves the whole website to the project section. And let's say I want to see only the WordPress website, and look at this, it filter the whole website and only show me WordPress site. Not only that, but if I just ask can you show me skills, it will move the whole website and move to the skill section. And now let's come the main part. So how can I contact? Let's say how can I contact? So it will just move me to the contact form, and not only that, but it's also asking that you can share your detail with me. So let's say yeah, I can share the details here. Okay, now here comes the, so it says please go ahead and share your details here. What's your full name? So let's say I am saying ProCoder09, and now it comes it says that doesn't look like a name. Yeah, that's a wrong name, because ProCoder is not a name. So I just say ProCoder. Okay, nice to meet you, Pro. What's your email address? So I just type procoder09@gmail.com. So now it just asks about my phone number. So let's say I will just type no. So now it just asks that doesn't look like a valid phone number. Try again, or just type skip. So if you type skip, you will get out of the contact form flow. But if you just type the actual phone number, like let's say I am doing my phone number, that is this one. Okay, it's a fake, don't call it. Okay, so here enter, and yes, it's perfectly perfect. Now I have to just type the issue regarding I contacted. So let's say I want to hire you as a freelancer. Okay, now hit enter. So here comes the all the details, like your name, email, phone number, message, and yes. Now you have to type yes to send, or cancel to stop. So I will just type yes, and look at this, in a moment it just sent. And you can also type here to do the same, but yeah, there is much better way, but you can choose any of that. Now here is one more thing, like what if you actually want to hire me as a freelancer? What you have to do is come to here main page or go to agency. Okay, click on launch project. Now here comes the main part. What you have to do is click on contact us, and now here look at this. You have to just you can schedule a call as well. So if you want, you can just schedule a call and I will just provide you the timing and everything. You can select it as well, like let's say I am selecting 29th of date here. Like you can see for today's only 2 time slots are left, but for 29 there are much slots are left. So you can choose any of the timing from here. Like let's say I just choose 9 ist. Okay, 9 a.m. IST, and when I just click, you have to just fill all the details here, like name, email, company, phone number, websites, and reason, like what you really want to create, and what's your price and everything. Okay, here. Now if I just close this, and if you want, instead of call, you just want to send me mail, you can just go here, send message, and fill all the details, and we will contact you in 24 hours. Now if you don't want to just send a message or schedule a call, you can contact us through info@innosparkmedia.com, and we will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, you can follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and so on. So go and check it out, and if you want to see projects regarding InnoSpark Media, you can go and check this out as well. Okay, you can just click on see more, and there are much more projects you can imagine. Okay, so go and check it out. Now comes the main part. So guys, if you want to talk with me, you can just go and message me or something else. So guys, that's all about today's video, and if you give 100 like, I will just try to create a step-by-step tutorial how you achieve this, or how you create the same portfolio website using React.js. Okay, so see you in the next video. Happy coding.